In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to set up checkout on Squarespace, guiding you through each step to ensure your customers have a seamless shopping experience. To get started, open your web browser and navigate to the Squarespace website. Log into your account if you haven't already done so. Once you're logged in and looking at your Squarespace dashboard, you'll see various options on the home screen. Our first step is to locate and click on Settings. You'll usually find this option on the left-hand side of your dashboard. Within Settings, we're focusing on the Selling section. This is your key area for setting up your online store and managing everything from products to payment methods. Next, you'll want to click on Checkout. This will open up the section specifically dedicated to how your customers will finalize their purchases. Here, you're going to have the opportunity to customize your customers' checkout experience, which can enhance their overall interaction with your website, hopefully leading to higher satisfaction and repeat business. Moving forward, look for the option labeled Additional Fields. Click on this and you'll encounter the settings that allow for further customization of your checkout form. This is particularly useful if you need more information from your customers or wish to personalize their purchase experience. Now, it's important to focus on enabling additional features to gather this crucial information, so click on Enable Custom Checkout Form. Once you've enabled this feature, you'll gain the ability to really make your checkout form your own. After enabling it, the next logical step is to click on Edit Custom Form. This is where the creativity and personalization come into play. You can tailor the form to collect the specific information that is most relevant to your business needs. Before you start editing, think about what information will help you not only process orders smoothly, but also enhance the customer experience. Make sure to enter the form name, a clear and descriptive name that reflects the content and purpose of the form. This step is simple but essential, helping you stay organized and making it easy for any future edits or reviews. Now let's add the fields to collect the specific information you need from your customers. Click on Add Form field and enter the fields that will be most useful for your checkout purposes. That might be information like special instructions, gift messages, or perhaps a selection that helps you segment customers for business insights. Once you're satisfied with the fields you've added, it's time to save all your hard work, so simply click Save. By saving your form, you ensure that all the changes are applied and fully integrated into your Squarespace site, ready for your customers to interact with. And that's it. You've successfully set up checkout on Squarespace. With your customization set and saved, your customers are now ready to enjoy a smooth and personalized purchase journey while shopping on your site. Thank you for watching and happy selling.